Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to install the iOS 18 beta, or any iOS beta software update, on your iPhone.
Let's get started.
First things first, we need to back up our iPhone to iCloud. Just in case anything goes wrong, we'll have a restore point. Head over to your Settings application, then tap on your name at the very top. Next, find and tap on iCloud. In the iCloud menu, find and tap iCloud Backup. Finally, tap the Backup Now button. This will back up your entire iPhone to the cloud. Okay, now let's make sure we have enough storage on our iPhone for the update. Go back to the Settings application, scroll down and tap on General. From here, tap on iPhone Storage. After a few seconds, it'll calculate your storage. You'll want to make sure you have at least 10 gigabytes of free storage for the new iOS update. If you're struggling with storage, follow the recommended steps on this page. Now that we've done that, we need to sign up for the iOS beta program.
Open your web browser and go to beta.apple.com. I'll leave a link in the description below.
You'll see a page explaining more about the beta program. Scroll down and click on the blue Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID, so click Continue and sign in. Then, agree to the terms and conditions. And just like that, we've successfully signed up for the iOS beta program. Now that we've signed up, let's update our device. Go back to the Settings application, scroll down and tap on General, then tap on Software Update. On the Software Update page, you should see a new box called Beta Updates. Tap on it. You'll get a few options. Select the iOS 18 Public Beta. Now if we go back to the main Software Update page, you'll see the update for the iOS 18 beta. All you need to do is tap on the blue Update Now button. This will download the update to your phone, and then it will prompt you to install it, which requires restarting your iPhone. Once your iPhone restarts, you'll be running the new iOS 18 public beta. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tips for more awesome tips and tricks.